Want to use a proxy directly on your Android phone without installing another app? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a proxy to your mobile network settings and get it working in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then go to Connections. After that, tap on Mobile Networks. Now look for access point names, or APN, and open it. Here you'll see the APN that your mobile network is currently using. Tap on that APN to edit its settings. Now scroll down until you find the Proxy section. This is where you need to enter the proxy address that you have. Next, enter the port number as well. Make sure you enter it correctly because the proxy won't work properly if the port is wrong. If your proxy also requires a username and password, enter them in the corresponding fields. Once everything is filled in, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Save to save your new APN settings. Now there's one more important step. Turn your mobile data off and then turn it back on again. Alternatively, you can turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. This will help your phone reconnect to the mobile network with the new proxy settings. And that's it! Your Android phone should now be using the proxy you just configured. So that's how you can add and use a proxy on Android without using a separate proxy app. Pretty easy, right? Just remember to double-check the proxy address, port, username, and password before saving. And if you found this tutorial helpful, stick around because I've got more simple Android tips and tricks coming your way.